What is going on, Turbo family? I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I know that I am. I know the markets are a little bit sluggish, but guys, it's a Sunday, it's a weekend. What could you expect? Now, guys, today is the first day of June. I hope you guys are super excited because that means half the year has gone by. And if you guys know anything about what I've been saying about crypto, the latter half of crypto or this year is when the bull market is going to top out at. Now, I understand. The start of June doesn't look too great, but hey, I'm hopeful that things could turn around. If you guys are new, listen, my name is Ro. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And with that being said, guys, let's get into today's video. Now, Turbo fam, what we'd like to do is we start off by looking at the charts first and foremost, right? You can see here, down 14% in the week, guys. And in the last 24 hours even, we're down 2%. In the last month, guys, down 22%. Now, the volume of this thing, right? Also got in a little bit of a hit, right, guys? Down 48%. It's back at 160. This used to be top 120. And honestly, guys, I understand if you're in the turbo markets right now, it's getting hard to buy and hold. But to be completely honest with you guys, this is where the money is made. It's by buying when literally nobody else wants to. Now, I'm here to assure you guys that, one of the things you could do right now, there's three moves you could do. You could either sell, which is probably the worst decision you can make to sell right now. You could accumulate, or guys, you could watch on the sidelines. If you're someone who's already heavily invested into Turbo, what I like to preach is, listen, make sure you guys have your bags, pack it to whatever amount you want, and then let it sit. If you guys have to, just don't make a move. Not making a move in the crypto markets is, in fact, making a move. So don't be fearful. And just refine your trading strategy, right? Reconsider why it is that you're in the markets. What is your long-term goals? What is your long-term perspective on the markets? And what are you really in this for? Now, guys, if you do want some clarity on that with just the mindset side of things, you want buy and sell alerts, because mind you, even though Turbo is down right now, some low market cap plays are popping up left, right, and center that you guys could make a lot of money from. I urge you guys to join the Memecoin Mastery, guys. You get access to my buy and sell alerts. You get to be a part of an amazing community of traders who are all after more or less the same goal: financial, location, time, freedom. I was going over somebody's portfolio yesterday, well over six figures, or well in the six figures, guys. Amazing to see that some people are honestly just crushing it with crypto. And if you guys made some money by watching my account, then yo, shout out to you guys. Obviously though, not financial advice. Now, obviously Turbo, guys, a meme coin made by AI for the people, the first of its kind, right? Now, there's a lot of arguments saying that, oh, Turbo wasn't the first of its kind. Well, it's the first one that blew up and did really well. Contract renounced, no taxes, total supply 69 billion, crowd-funded launch. And the best part about Turbo, which is what I think sets it apart, right? The dev is docs, which a lot of other meme coin projects have tried to take on that approach. Now they're getting their dev to docs themselves. What's even better, guys, is the way this kind of started from a grassroots project. Okay, you guys are wondering, oh, you remember saying Turbo is done? No. It's so unique, guys, that the community is ultra bullish on this. The dev is docs. He's a Web3 artist, right? His artwork has been over galleries across the world. He has a social credibility, is what I'm trying to say. And he decided, you know what? In April, I think April or May 2023, he's like, the markets for NFTs are more or less dead. Let me drop a meme coin with using ChatGPT, guys, and a budget of $69. And our influence, Turbo, came into fruition, which is why it's literally called the People's Token, which is made by AI, but it's for the people, and the people had a say in it, which again, I don't think there's many coins that could come out and do that. Yes, there's a lot of projects that have done well, guys, and there's a lot of projects that have run to $1 billion market cap, and I don't think there's anything that's going to stop Turbo from doing the same thing. The first time a red flag comes out about Turbo, trust me, you guys are going to be the first, or I'm going to be the first person to start talking about it. We know it even started rallying even after New York delisted it from Coinbase. Regardless of that, guys, we still had that rally from 201 all the way up to 206. Now we're getting a little bit of a discount. And I like to say, you never chase the green candles. You always want to buy when there is fear in the streets. You always want to buy when there is blood in the streets, guys. You can see right now, 20424 is currently where we are trading at. The next stop, if we were to break towards the upside, is that 205, which we broke below. Unfortunately, you can see that big red candlestick, guys, which, mind you, it wasn't just Turbo, right? It broke out of that wedge that we were kind of forming there. Unfortunately, it wasn't the way that I wanted to go, but we dropped 20% into the support area at 204. Now, mind you, guys, this is very annoying, right? The entire crypto market has dumped, guys, but the good part is, right, it's nowhere near where we started off the beginning of May, right? When May kind of kicked off, Is this May? Where is May? Yeah, when actually it is a little bit lower. But what I'm trying to say is leading into May, I think the latter half of April, guys, or the last couple weeks of April, we had a bullish push, guys, and we're nowhere near those levels, which is a good sign. And what I really want to see happen is us hold this level. And obviously, for Bitcoin and ETH to start its rally again, we're resetting the fear and greed index, which is another good sign. We're back at 56 neutral, okay? These are neutral levels, and mind you, at 56 neutral, Bitcoin is sitting at $105,000. Now, I don't know about you guys, but that sounds pretty good to me. The fear and greed index always needs space to breathe, guys. How it works is when it gets too greedy, when it gets too much to the right side, you're going to see it pull back a little bit. And as it goes too far to the fear or to the extreme fear, which is the left side, you're going to see a pull back towards the middle yet again. Now, if you guys have been waiting, patiently waiting for a time to potentially buy into the crypto markets, then hey, this might be that opportunity. Turbo, the first AI-generated meme coin with a $69 budget. Now, I just want to say I appreciate you guys for always watching, for always tuning into my videos. I did want to mention though, guys, make sure you guys go follow them over on X so you can stay up to date with the latest information. It's one thing to hear about it from me, but it's another, guys, to get it straight from the team, right? Straight from the source is what I like to say, straight from the horse's mouth, or in this case, straight from the frog's mouth. Not to mention, Turbo dropped an NFT. Memecoin dropped an NFT. Turbo, the first AI meme coin created by Rett, sitting at $300 million market cap. Meanwhile, Turbo Toad Club, which is 10,000 profile pictures created by Rett, sitting at $300,000 market cap yet again. Basically, a little bit of symmetry there. You guys could go ahead and pick up a Turbo profile picture if you are into that, like an NFT, guys. By all means, if that's something that you're into, go ahead and gobble some up. Turbo Legends series, Nihirsag. Turbo carries the force of creation itself, just like Nihirsag, the Sumerian goddess. Very, very interesting. Listen. There's only one God, and that is my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Turbo fam, you guys can see here. Now, again, this is what the community has to say. This is a very interesting comparison. Don't really see the asymmetry in this, but or the symmetry in this. But hey, to each their own, right? Day 20 of Hey Robinhood. It's a new month. How about listing a new token your users have been asking for? Honestly, I felt like over Christmas time, I thought a Robinhood listing was going to come, but I did want to encourage you guys to keep doing stuff like this, right? If you're part of the Turbo community, go out there and post about it on X, guys, because I'm telling you, it is going to help out, right? You are going to make a movement in the market because trust me, guys, we've done it before. We got Revolut listing just based off of posting over on X. And that's literally why you guys see me hop on here every single day and talk about crypto. With that being said, though, guys, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like and subscribe so I know that you guys are still watching and you're still here to check out these daily Turbo uploads. Now, guys, I may not upload too many videos today just because it is a very hectic and busy day. The giveaway winners will be announced very soon over on my X. I'll see you guys next time. God bless you all. Take care and peace out, guys.